In this video, we're going to be showing how to import a project into iCON 3D on dozer, grader, excavator. Um, so first thing we do, we got the USB inserted into our panel. Then we'll go to the tools icon, data transfer, and then we're going to hit USB sync. If it asks you any questions, hit always use specified action and no. The only time you would want to say yes is if you had a corrupt file or something you needed to overwrite that had the same name. Since we just want to bring in the new projects, we just always and no. So once we're at 100%, we click OK, and then we'll just back out to the home screen. We can go to projects, and we'll select our project. The one we just loaded was a CLI demo job. And we'll go to settings. You can see our localization's already in here and in the right place. So now we just got to select our surface and line work. So we'll go to surface. There's our surface. And if we don't want to see all the triangles on the screen, we can just click on the wrench and turn off triangles. Then we can go to the second page and add our line work file. In here, if you wanted to cut off some layers, say they sent you a file that had all the existing on it, you can hit the wrench and click on cut off whatever layers you don't want to see. Then we're ready to hit grade and go to work. Thank you for watching, and please comment if you have any questions, and thank you.